Do you know which vitamins and minerals can help manage your diabetes? Today, we're going to talk about the vital role these nutrients play in the management of diabetes. We'll explore 7 key vitamins and minerals that can help you maintain a healthy balance of blood sugar and promote overall well-being. These include vitamin C, E, biotin, vitamin B12, magnesium, zinc, and chromium. Each one has unique properties that can significantly aid in diabetes management. Stay tuned as we delve into each of these essential nutrients. First on our list are vitamins C and E. Let's delve into their fascinating roles in managing diabetes. Vitamin C, also known as ascorbic acid, is a powerful ally in reducing blood sugar levels. It's not just an immune booster, but it also enhances insulin sensitivity, making it easier for your body to process glucose. On the other hand, vitamin E is a potent antioxidant. It's like the body's personal security guard, shielding cells from damage caused by harmful free radicals. But it doesn't stop there. Vitamin E also plays a crucial role in glucose control, helping to maintain a steady blood sugar level. It's important to note that while these vitamins are beneficial, they should be taken in moderation. Remember, balance is key when it comes to taking these vitamins. Next up, we have biotin and vitamin B12. Now, biotin is something of a powerhouse. It's a B vitamin that plays a pivotal role in helping our bodies metabolize glucose. For those with diabetes, this is critical. But that's not all biotin can do. It's also been shown to help reduce nerve pain associated with this condition, making it a potential double whammy against diabetes. On the flip side, we have vitamin B12. This vitamin is crucial for nerve function. When you're deficient in B12, you run the risk of developing diabetic neuropathy, a condition characterized by nerve damage that can lead to pain and numbness. Always consult your healthcare provider before starting any new supplement regimen. Let's not forget about magnesium and zinc. Magnesium, the multitasker mineral, is significantly involved in glucose control and the action of insulin. It helps to regulate blood sugar levels, support healthy muscle and nerve function, and even contributes to a healthy immune system. On the other hand, we have zinc, the master of metabolism. This mineral is instrumental in the production and secretion of insulin, the hormone responsible for regulating the amount of glucose in the blood. It's like a key that unlocks the cells, allowing glucose to enter and be used for energy. So you see, both magnesium and zinc play crucial roles in managing diabetes. These minerals are vital, but remember, moderation is essential. Last but not least, we have chromium. This mighty mineral has a crucial role in enhancing insulin sensitivity, helping your body's cells to take in glucose more efficiently. By doing so, it aids in maintaining better control over your blood sugar levels. However, like every good thing, too much chromium can have side effects. It's always important to consult with your healthcare provider before adding any supplements to your regimen. Remember, the right balance of vitamins and minerals can go a long way in managing your diabetes. So, there you have it, 7 key vitamins and minerals that can help manage your diabetes. We've touched on the benefits of vitamin C and E, their antioxidant properties, and role in glucose control. We've discussed biotin and vitamin B12, essential for nerve function and energy production. We've delved into magnesium and zinc, vital for insulin regulation. And lastly, we've highlighted chromium, a trace mineral that improves insulin sensitivity. But remember, while these nutrients are essential, they are just a part of the puzzle. A balanced diet, regular exercise, and consistent checkups with your healthcare provider are crucial in managing diabetes. Take control of your health today and pave the way for a healthier tomorrow. Don't forget to like and share this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe for more health tips.